In this video, I will show you how to see analytics on X. In order to see it, you can just head over to any post. It can be your post or it can be other people's posts. For example, we have in here this post from this person, and we can see in here some more options like the comment, the retweet, the heart, as well as the favorite. Now, from in there, you should be able to see also an analytics. So, for example, you can click on the three dots, and then you can see in here this view post engagements. Just click on this right here, and then it will show you the engagement for the quotes and posts. And this engagement right here will actually be the one that will serve as your engagement. So here's also the views, and this also serves as an analytics. Under that, you can also see a lot more analytics. You can head over and click on this view right here, and you should be able to see that particular view. So that's how you see analytics on X. Hope we help.